Alright, I'm going to show you how to set your desktop background back to a picture if you had it recently as a web page, because I know I had trouble with this. You go to Start, Control, Appearance and Themes, Display. Alright. Desktop. And then you go to Customize Desktop, Web. Now make sure this is unchecked, or anything that's in this box, it should be unchecked. Then you click OK, and this will still be up, and then you can pick a picture or whatever you want to do. And that's all you have to do, and it will be back to what you wanted it to be. Thanks for watching.